Drive belts should be replaced every 4 years or 100,000 kilometres, depending on the vehicle, but can fail earlier as a result of misalignment or damage caused by the harsh under-bonnet conditions. Repco's drive belt range is designed specifically for the Australian market and offers customers OEM quality and performance at a better price. Repco's multi-rib drive belts are constructed from EPDM rubber compound with polyester cord for increased heat, oil and chemical resistance, providing a longer belt life. They are rigorously tested, ensuring OEM fit and performance is met, if not exceeded. Because the components in the drive belt system all wear at the same rate, it is recommended that you replace your drive belt, tensioner and pulleys at the same time to prevent future issues.